In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Webflow Navbar to make award-winning menus. If you're looking to elevate your website's design, you're in the right place. Whether you're a beginner just diving into the world of Webflow or an experienced user looking for some advanced tips, this walkthrough will guide you through the essentials of creating stunning navigation bars. Let's dive right in. First off, we're going to head over to the Webflow website. If you're not familiar with Webflow, it's a powerful visual website builder that allows you to create custom, responsive websites without needing to write a single line of code. Once you're on the home page, the next step is to log into your account. Simply click on the Login button at the top of the page, enter your credentials, and you'll be granted access to your workspace. Once you're logged in, look for the dashboard link. This area serves as your base of operations, displaying all of your ongoing projects in one convenient location. Now, within that dashboard, you'll want to select the specific project you're planning to enhance. Clicking on the project opens it up, giving you a canvas to work from. With your project open, it's time to start crafting that incredible navbar. To get started, look for the Add Elements panel, typically found on the left-hand side of the interface. This panel is your gateway to all the various components you can add to your website. Click on the Add Elements button, and a list of options will unfold. Now, in this list, you'll see a variety of elements available to insert into your design. Scroll down until you find the navbar element. The navbar is a pre-styled navigation bar that you can customize to fit your design. Click on the navbar, and you'll see it appear in your project. Webflow places the element at the top of your canvas by default, which matches the typical layout of a website menu. The beauty of Webflow's interface is in its flexibility and intuitiveness. Once you have the navbar in place, you can start to personalize it by clicking on it and exploring the customization options available in the Style panel. Here, you can change colors, typography, spacing, and more to ensure your menu aligns perfectly with your website's look and feel. Remember, a compelling menu not only enhances your site's usability, but also boosts the overall aesthetic appeal. Take your time to experiment with different styles until you find one that truly makes your website stand out. That's it for today. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating menus that are not only functional, but also visually striking. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!